going to unbox two perfume. No, I'm going to unbox one, and it's a go-to fragrance you can use for you can travel with. Yeah, they are kind of my best fragrance. I love very much. You understand? So this is the Aqua Digio Profondo. I got this one for. I just thought I should unbox it, and I actually do unboxing because of originality. You understand? So you know what you're getting, because there are a lot of fake products everywhere. But this one is Aqua Digio Profondo. I got the Aqua Digio Profumo. So this is the new one. This is the, should I say advanced? But I think this is the new one. I know this is the new one. So I'm going to unbox this one and show you what's inside the carton. But still, let me unbox it. I have this tie. You know this tie I got? It's this and this. Of course, I'm gonna pick it up later. You understand? It's not like I'm turning my ass into a garbage or a trash can. You understand? Pick it up later. Well, this is it. Look at it. It's the blue. This is the blue color. Very nice. Nice. And this is the blue color. This is the carton. I don't have anything inside. It's just like an empty carton. Aqua Digio Profondo. This fragrance is very nice, as you can see. It's a very nice fragrance, and you will love it. You will love it. And this is my power ass. Fresh and sweet. This is Overture. That's the pronunciation, is Overture. I'm going to make a review for the both of them and explain the notes and what time is good to use them, because this is good for the sunny time already. Then this is kind of sweet. If you love cake, if you love Tiziano Terenzi cake or Tiziano Terenzi, any of those sweet fragrance, this guy is the pump. This guy is a beast of a fragrance. Lasts long, more than 8 hours, like 10 hours. You can still get it the following day. And this one, you can get good 8 hours, and babes like this one. Like fresh girls love this one, for real. So I don't think I have to say more about this program, this perfume. It needs just that it has some, like, you understand, I don't know, maybe some dust attachment to it. I'll be traveling with this one, and I'll also be traveling with this one. That's why I got it. I'm going to go with 2 fragrance, but I actually have a must fragrance to go with, but I don't want to talk more about that one right now. Maybe when I'm doing like the full powerhouse I used to travel with, that's when I will have to do that one. You understand? But this one right there, you can actually travel with these 2 guys. This is good for the sunny time. You understand? Here in Africa, it's always sunny. You understand? The sun feel will remove your teeth safe. I'm just joking, but the sun feel actually remove your scarf. No, I'm joking all the same. You understand? So it's nice. When it's heated, it smells so nice. And back or the test strip, you understand? I don't want to spray it on my body because I'll be going out soon. So I don't know if I'm going to go out with this one. I might go out with another one because it's already evening. So I might want to go with another perfume that I like during the evening, you understand? So, spread this one here. Yeah. Satisfying, you understand? It's very nice. It's a nice fragrance. I don't understand this one. I don't know if I'm gonna say this one is fake, you understand? But the cork is different. The other one I have, the Aqua di Gio Profumo actually add a magnetic cork, but this one doesn't. Is it fake? No, I don't think it's fake because I got it from a respectable shop that can do such things. So I know this is the first one I'm getting right now. So the atomizer is very nice. So thank you for watching, and I will come and talk more about the overture from Sejov and more about the Aqua di Gio Profundo. I can actually get a comparison between the Aqua di Gio Profundo and the Aqua di Gio Profumo. The Aqua di Gio Profumo is the black one, so I can actually give a comparison and maybe get a rated like what people actually like, this one or the other one. But I think a lot of people, the reviewers, I think they like this one, but me, I kind of like the other one. I mean the old one, but never can tell. Maybe I might change my mind. So that's it. Thank you for watching.